Today I have got something special for you, and I promise I will only take about 3 minutes of your time. So stick with me. Let's chat about something we all have experienced. Starting a programming course full of excitement, high hopes, but dropping it after a few days. Sounds familiar, right? We all have a list of unfinished courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube. It's frustrating, especially when you have purchased the course and invested time into it. One of the major reasons for dropping the courses is that courses are unable to create enough interest in the subject due to poor communication by instructors and a lack of practice exercises. But fear not, because today we are flipping the script. So, presenting to you the top 5 courses that will make your learning simple, engaging, and interesting. These courses cover data structures and algorithms, machine learning, web development, and multiple programming languages. Number 1, Harvard CS50 Full Computer Science University course. How amazing it would be if you got a chance to learn from a famous teacher at Harvard University, and that too for free. It is the same course that is being taught to Harvard students. It is taught by David Malan, a famous professor at Harvard. Every beginner should go through this course to develop a basic understanding of programming and software development. It is available on YouTube for free. I will provide the links for this course and upcoming courses in the description. Number 2, Algorithms Part 1 and Part 2 by Princeton University. A fantastic course in data structures and algorithms taught by Robert Sedgwick, an American computer scientist with more than 45 years of teaching experience. You can read more about him on Wikipedia. This is an easy to understand course with the right balance of theory and practice assignments. Not only beginners, but this course is also a great introduction to those who haven't taken CS at university. This course is available on Coursera. Over Coursera, you can audit any course and learn it for free. Number 3, Python course for beginners by Programming with Mosh and Free Code Camp. These are great free courses and are available on YouTube. One course has been watched 36 million times and the other has been watched 42 million times. You can learn from any one of these courses. Just read the comments on these courses and you will come to know their popularity. I learned from Programming with Mosh as I prefer his teaching style. Number 4, Web Development courses by Angela Yu and Colt Steele. Both courses have 4.7 plus rating and are watched by more than 1 million students worldwide. These online courses will give you all the essential skills to become a full-stack web developer. I have done Angela Yu's course. You can take any one of these courses. These are paid, and in India, they cost 449 rupees with lifetime access. These are the only paid courses on this list. Number 5, Machine Learning course by Andrew Ng. If you know machine learning, then you must know Andrew Ng. He is a fantastic teacher, and his course on machine learning is excellent for beginners. He explains complex ideas in a way that's easy for beginners to grasp. It is one of the most authentic, comprehensive, and engaging machine learning resources for beginners. It is available on Coursera, where you can audit any course and learn it for free. That's it from our side. Check out all these courses as per your topic of interest. Links are in the description. If you have come this far, then please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing content.